Hey guys, welcome back. I am Melissa. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to be unboxing my FabFitFun summer box. I'm super excited because I don't remember what I got in here. I always love doing unboxings when I don't know what is in it, you know, because then it's a surprise. This just came on my doorstep. I am a filming crazy person today. This is my third and last video I'm filming today, but I was hoping it would come before I got going with the rest of my day, so I didn't have to worry about still looking okay to film. And it did. Also, the shirt just came in. How cute is that? The mail. This is from one of those Facebook clothing sale groups. Just like the individual owner though, not one of the fake ones. So I'll link this down below as well. It's called Lure Boutique. And it's so cute, and it fits good. I don't feel like it's going to fall off or anything. So, all right, let's go ahead and get into this. I got one thing from the pre-sale. What is that called? Add-ons. I got one thing from the add-ons. I got the Juice Beauty eye treatment. So this was $15 or $17, which is really cheap for a Juice Beauty eye treatment. And I had a credit. Not sure what the credit was for because they oversold or something on their edit sale. So they gave me a credit on my account to use for the add-ins. So yeah, I picked that up, and you would be so proud of me. I didn't pick up anything else in the add-ins. You know, that low buy and all. Getting in my way of making purchases. Just kidding. I did not need anything else from there. Okay, so I want this to be somewhat of a surprise. So I'm going to go through everything, and then I'll go over the prices later. I see something already that I'm so excited about, and it is the Bum Bum Cream. This was a choice. So it is the 2 ounce, I think, 2.5 ounce Bum Bum Cream. Okay. You know, I'm also talking very fast today, and I think it's because I have filmed so many things that I'm like, alright, next I see a Wish exfoliating foot max. Oh my gosh, do you know what? This has been, FabFitFun has had ads on, you know, on YouTube channels, and I have seen so many ads for this foot mask, and I wanted it, and I couldn't remember if it was an add-on, if it was a choice, or if it was just part of a box. I still don't remember which it is, but we'll go over all of that when I'm done going through the box. So, super excited to have that. I think it looked like maybe it was, oh no, it is one that you take off. Use at bedtime. Apply liberally to feet area and let dry. Go to bed and wake up with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. I mean, obviously I'm going to use it today, so go ahead and open it up. It is coconut milk and verbena. Which I think verbena is kind of lime, right? It smells really good. So the exfoliating, the polishing part, or extracts, so they're natural exfoliators. There's no gritty kind of exfoliator in there. Alright, next, what's this? Spray all day, rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. This cannot be a choice. I don't think I would have picked this. Maybe it'll be nice for the summer just to spray as I'm hot throughout the day. Refresh a little bit. You know, where I am from, we have like 2 days of spring, and then we have like 90-degree summer for the rest of the time until it's cold out. So I definitely am hot all the time. It has a strong rose scent, for sure. Not sure if that's good or bad. Ooh, yes, the Kula Makeup Setting Spray. This was a choice. I love this setting spray, and I love it for reapplying sunscreen throughout the day when I have makeup on, so then I'm not messing up you know my makeup. So this is a SPF 30. Here's what it looks like, and it's a full size, 1.5 ounces. So I will probably go through that this summer. Okay, so the other thing we got, this is the thing where I remember that it was a set. This was a choice of a set. So it came with the Bum Bum shower gel. It's not open, but as soon as I'm done with my other one, I will be opening this up to use it because people love it. And the Bum Bum cream, oh, probably my favorite scent ever of anything, ever. All right, next I've got an Ico eyeliner. Well, obviously I'm going to use that. I think these are around $20, and I actually think I might have one of these in my stock. But it might not be the exact same one because Ico has like tons of different kinds of eyeliners, but decided to try that. We got a lot here. Generation Clay, brightening purple clay mask from, I guess Generation Clay is the brand? I don't know. It's closed, and I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. So I am not going to open it to see what it smells like. Use an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait 10 minutes and rinse it off. It's supposed to refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture your skin. I just am going to look more up on that before I decide if I'm going to keep it or not. Next, there's anything else over here. Here's something. Oh, some Invisible Bobble hair ties. My daughter uses these. I haven't used them before, but I'm sure I can. That's a nice little bonus one in there. What is this? What a pair. Oh yes, I did choose this. These are silicone. I hope I've been showing you guys everything. Sometimes when I do several videos in a day, my mind starts to disappear, I guess. So they are silicone wine glasses. How stinking fun is that? So cute. And then it looks like I just have one more thing in here. This was also a choice, and I'm so excited because I was going to buy one of these. It is one of the letter boards. So now I have one of these. I want one of these for my business, and I want one of these for my YouTube channel. So now I'm so excited that I have one, and we'll see what I'm gonna do first with it. I have no idea. That's so fun. All right, let's look into prices for this stuff. Does this not have? Oh, they did. Oh, okay. This is so much more confusing than it was in the past. So this is what the magazine looks like now. It used to be in sections, like these were your choices, these were your choices, now it's all over the place. So I picked the Bum Bum cream. The other options were one of these beach towels. Can you see that? A blow dryer, which I think we're getting in our Boxy Luxe box, a blow dryer, but I don't need another blow dryer. And this kimono. So I didn't really need those other things, so I went with the Bum Bum cream because I love the Bum Bum cream. And then option 2, we had the treatment masks, the bowls, the thing I got, or the tote. So obviously I wanted one of those anyway, so I picked this. So far, guys, all things good. Alright, so we had resistant bands for 3. Resistant band, jewelry, or the wine glasses. I have tons of these. I don't need that jewelry, so I picked the wine glasses, and I always need a wine glass. Then for 4, we had the Ico. Oh, I picked that? Oh, well, let's see what the other choices were. Living Proof Nourishing Style Cream. Oh, a mystery item. I picked the mystery item once, and it was, I didn't like it. I don't even remember what it was. It might have been a really neutral palette. I wonder what people got for that mystery item. Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. So it's just a balm for dry skin. So I guess I did pick the Ico liner. So the Ico liner was $22. The silicone wine glasses were $25. The Bum Bum Cream total was $45. And the board, $35. Do you know I picked all of the cheapest items? But I'm excited. Like, they're all things that I love and would have gotten anyway. Well, I wouldn't have gotten silicone wine glasses, but none of it was stuff I wouldn't use so far. So, alright, so then, oh, that was, wait a second. Okay, no. The Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm was, do you feel like you're on a roller coaster right now with me? Don't get sick. That's with number 5. So it was a choice between that, the Coola Setting Spray, which I did pick, and Refining Micro Polish. I didn't need that. So I picked the Coola Setting Spray. Also something I would have bought in anyways. And then last, okay, so everybody got the Invisibobby, the clay mask, the exfoliating foot mask, and the rose spray. So the Coola Setting Spray was a value of $36. The Invisibobbles, $16? Are you kidding me? For 6 hair ties? That's expensive. Do you guys buy those regularly? I think I got them, I must have gotten my daughter them cheap somewhere or on sale with Ulta and a coupon or something. I don't know. That's a lot of money. And let's see. The Rose Face Spray is $25. The Wish Exfoliating Foot Mask, $32. And the Clay Mask, $39. I'm going to add everything up and let you know what my box was worth. Okay, so even picking all of the cheapest items, my total was $276. So that's the least amount that your value would have been. That is pretty good for a $50 box, especially when they're things. I mean, okay, realistically, things I would have bought. I was going to buy one of those boards, and I'm sure I could have probably gotten one for like $20 on Amazon. I probably eventually would have bought some more Bum Bum Cream. And I would have bought in the setting spray. And the other stuff I will use. So, very, very worth it box for me this month. I'm sure that the summer edit sale will be coming up soon. So if you want to be a part of that, you do have to be a member, I believe, which means you're subscribed to the box. I will link all of that information down in the description box. I do have a code where you can get $10 off of your first box, so just be sure to use that as well. Don't forget to enter the giveaway before you leave. Please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It is very helpful, and I so appreciate all of you that click that red subscribe button. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!